Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're adding music to a TikTok right now, so start in the app. Tap the plus, then choose Record or Upload. You do this first because your clip length and beats must match. Once your clip is in the editor, tap Sounds at the top. This pulls up trending, playlists, and search. Make sure the mood fits your hook. Music drives retention, so preview a few tracks. If you can't see sounds, check permissions and update the app, then continue to browse and select. Now you'll pick and shape the sound. Search or pick trending, then tap to preview. Once chosen, press trim to select the exact segment you want. This matters because the hook usually lives in the first 7 seconds. Then use volume to balance original clip audio versus the music. Lower music for dialogue, raise it for dance or montage. If pacing matters, add effects or voiceover and drag the waveform to sync beats with edits. Make precise cuts so actions land on the downbeat. Finish by reviewing the full playback. Make sure the music supports your message and that lip sync or cuts are aligned. Then add captions, hashtags, and choose a cover image before tapping post or save draft if you want to revisit. For copyright-safe use, prefer TikTok library sounds or licensed tracks. If you run into issues, sound missing, error uploading, first update the app, clear the cache, and reselect the sound. If that fails, restart the phone and retry, which often resolves temporary permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.